Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ownership with LegalZoom step by step clearly. To start the ownership transfer process with LegalZoom, visit the LegalZoom website. Create an account if you don't already have one, or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the business section on the homepage. Select Transfer Ownership from the list of services offered. You will be prompted to enter details about the business you want to transfer. Fill in the required information, including the business name and your current ownership details. Next, specify the new owner's information in the designated fields. Review the information provided to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once confirmed, choose the appropriate transfer documents based on your business type. Continue to follow the on-screen prompts to customize your documents as needed. After customization, you will have the option to purchase the document package. Proceed to the Payments section to complete your order. Once payment is processed, you will receive confirmation of your order via email. You can then access the completed transfer documents from your account dashboard. Print the documents and gather any necessary signatures from both the current and new owners. Once signed, submit the documents to the appropriate state authorities if required. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. Monitor the status of your ownership transfer through LegalZoom's platform if available. Once the transfer is processed, you will receive confirmation from LegalZoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.